अब हम बात करेंगे एंटी इन्फ्लुएंजा ड्रग्स की। एंटी इन्फ्लुएंजा ड्रग्स वो ड्रग्स होंगी जिनको हम यूज़ करते हैं कॉमन कोल्ड, रनिंग नोज, कफ, फीवर। नॉर्मली जो ये प्रॉब्लम होती है ये वायरस इंड्यूस प्रॉब्लम है, और द वायरस विच इज़ रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर कॉमन कोल्ड, फ्लू एंड फीवर लाइक सिम्टम इज इन्फ्लुएंजा वायरस. And the drug which we used again to inhibit the these virus is are categorized under anti-influenza drugs. Drugs like amantadine, rimantadine, oseltamivir, and zanamivir. From the examination point of view, the important drug is amantadine. So here I will discuss the mechanism of amantadine, how it perform their action, how it perform the replication of influenza virus. So before going into the detail, you have to look in the diagram. The diagram is representing there is a outside cellular membrane, there is a virus, and this is the outside of the virus. As we have already discussed in first lecture, there, there is lipoprotein envelope. That envelope is having hemagglutinin spike like structure. These structure responsible for binding with the host cellular membrane. Once it attaches to the host cellular membrane, there will be the process of endocytosis. As the endocytosis process finished, there will be the formation of endosome. Now, once this endosome formed, due to the presence of H plus ion acidic environment inside the host cell, a special protein present only in the influenza virus, M2 protein, N2 protein channel gets open. Once the channel gets open, the inside stored genetic material of influenza virus leak out and float in the cytoplasm. This under the process of uncoating. Once this stored genetic material come out from the capsid, this is further due to the presence of RNA polymerase enzyme. There will be the further synthesis of RNA and various kind of protein. Various proteins again responsible for the synthesis of integral part of virus, influenza virus, so that again there will be the formation of a new virion, new influenza virus. Once the new influenza virus formed, there will be the packaging and processing in the last, and now this formed influenza virus with the help of neuraminidase attaches to the cellular membrane and penetrate from inside to outside, and it get releases. Once it is released, it infects the another cell. This is the normal mechanism of influenza virus replication. Amantadine is a drug of choice that is responsible for inhibiting the opening of M2 protein channel. And what I have told earlier, M2 protein channel once get open, the genetic material come out from the influenza virus. So once the amantadine inhibit M2 channel, the genetic material, the movement of genetic material will not be there. So the further process means the formation of various proteins and formation of various integral part of influenza virus will not be there, so that there will not be formation of new virion particle. And this is the mechanism of action of amantadine. There are various effect of adverse effect like gastrointestinal complaints and minor central nervous system effects. This is all about anti-influenza drugs. There are few more drugs like oseltamivir and zanamivir. We have discussed amantadine. Oseltamivir and zanamivir is important from the GPAT point of view. These drugs are actually responsible for neuraminidase inhibitors and prevent virion release by causing clumping of mature virion. What I told earlier, neuraminidase is an enzyme present on the virus outer coat is responsible for penetrating the cellular membrane of the host cell so that virus come out from host cell to outside and infect another cell. But these are the drug oseltamivir and zanamivir inhibit the neuraminidase so that the formed virion will not come out and infect to another cell. And so this is the mechanism of oseltamivir and zanamivir. Oseltamivir is an oral prodrug, and adverse effect of this, it can cause nausea and vomiting, whereas zanamivir is administered by inhalational route and adverse effect is bronchospasm. ओसेल्टामेविर आपको इंपॉर्टेंट है जीपैट के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से याद रखना पड़ेगा कि ये ड्रग ऑफ चॉइस होती है बर्ड फ्लू में, रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर H5N1 इनहिबिशन, एंड स्वाइन फ्लू के लिए हम अब यूज़ करते हैं ओसेल्टामेविर. दिस इज ऑल अबाउट एंटी इन्फ्लुएंजा.